Like what?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did this no foundation, like super easy and simple summer makeup or any time of the year makeup. So I did not use any foundation for this look. I used concealer and I didn't paint my face with concealer either. You're going to see how easy this makeup was. It literally took me less than 15 minutes to do. It's great for the summer, so you're not like feeling like you're sweating and hot and got all this stuff on you. Like, you feel free. It's so easy, you guys. I'm not lying. But if you're interested to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so first up for this easy simple makeup, I use this Urban Skin RX. Okay, there you go. Urban Skin RX Complex Protection Moisturizer. It has SPF in it. So like I said, it's sunny, it's hot, it's like 90 degrees. So I wanted to make sure I moisturize my skin, but still use something that will protect it at the same time. So I decided to use that. And I've also been using their skincare products, so it just works well together. So after that, now I'm gonna go back in with this Milk Hydro Primer that I've been using lately. I haven't found like a good mattifying primer that I would like because my skin is pretty oily, but this is what I use. I put like one dab and just go on my face like so. Boom, easy, simple. It's slightly tacky, which is good because ooh, them eyes is a little dry under there. But yeah, it's good that it's tacky, so like the makeup can easily just like stay on there real good. So next up, I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty concealer. This is my favorite concealer once again. That one is empty. I'm going to throw that away. I have a lot of concealer. So I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty concealer and just go on the spots that I do want to conceal, obviously, like under my eyes. Boom. Yep. So areas that I have like some discoloration or I just want to like kind of cover up a little bit. My forehead doesn't have like too many breakouts or dark spots. So this is the concealer that I have on my face for right now. I'm gonna just take this little mini fan and let it dry just a smidge, because I find that when it's like a little drier, the coverage is better. Like when it's too like liquidy or just wet, it kind of just slides all over the place, and I need my makeup to just stay in the areas that I put it in and do its job. So that's good enough for me. Next, I go in with this brush here. I don't know where this is from. I got this for Christmas one time, but it looks like this at the top. It's kind of angled. It's really dense is the word. I don't know. So I use that and I begin to blend it out. The hardest part about this makeup is probably going to be if I decide to put on eyelashes, because you never know if that's going to be quick or long, because them things like to play. That's why I like to get eyelash extensions, and I recommend those for the summer as well, because it's like you wake up and you're just cute. Like, you do this if you already have eyelash extensions on, maybe do your eyebrows. You really don't, I don't need to really do this, but like I kind of want to look slightly more presentable, and boom, you're just like ready to take on the world. I just hate that eyelash extensions are like expensive and you have to get it done like twice a month probably, at least, or at least once. But I'd rather spend my money towards something else and use my little $5 lashes. Call it a day. Because who got time? But I probably will get them again though. So that's blended out real nice over there. And I would say try to get a concealer that's kind of close to your skin tone. Like, don't have it too light, because if you use something that's like really light, this is not going to work out too well for you. Okay, so after concealing, doing all that blending in, That looks pretty good if you ask me, but now we need to set it because it is hot outside and we don't want it to just be melting off our face. Like some people say that they don't like to wear makeup in the summer because they feel like it's melting or just like dripping off their face, and I don't really relate to that too much, but maybe because I do these things. So I'm gonna go back. Oh, I already took the top off because I'm too excited. But I'm gonna take this setting powder I have from Fenty Beauty. You can use any setting powder you have. And I'm gonna go under my eye. Oh, I forgot to tell you what type of brush. I don't know what this brush is, but it's a small, like, what does it say? Detail. Oh, this says detail highlighter, but I'm not trying to highlight. But that's just a prime example of you don't have to use brushes for what they're said they're for. Because I'm not highlighting. I'm not using like a highlighter, like a shimmery. Oh, it's looking a little crazy under there. Let me be quiet. Okay. Get the eyelids, because you know sometimes when you put something on your eyelid and it gets like creasy looking, I don't like that. So I'm gonna just take a little more and put it in some other places, make sure it's nice and set. This doesn't have to be like super neat and precise. So that's all I'm gonna use for that. Very quick, very easy. Boom, bam. So lastly, as far as powder goes, I'm gonna go back in with this powder I have here from Makeup Forever. It is the Pro Finish powder. It's basically a powder foundation, so I need to get a new one, but it matches my skin tone pretty well, so I'm gonna use that. And you can, you know, feel free to use drugstore products or whatever products you have. And I definitely want to do a drugstore only makeup video to show you the great crap you can get from the store at the drugstore. So cheap. I think I'm going to take my scarf off actually, because I want to make sure I get near my hairline. But I was trying to lay my edges down because I just washed my hair and did this little quick little style today. Oh, ooh, that is looking sleek and slick. Okay, period. Yeah, so use this, well, whatever foundation brush you have, going with it. Also, they always come with these little things. I don't really use those too much, like on a daily. I'll probably use that if I bring my powder out the house and just like dab it for touch-ups. When I tell you guys this is the easiest makeup, the only difference I could tell you all is if you have like a lot of dark spots or blemishes, it might be helpful for you to color correct before you do this, but I've never color corrected actually. For the most part, I mean, I have slight little dark spots, but I could cover it with concealer. I've never needed to use like the orange or green. I don't know how many other colors they have for the color correcting, but boom. So I went over the areas that I put the powder, but I didn't really go directly under my eye because I'm trying to refrain from putting things right there because that's where I get the most creasing, and I don't want to have my eyes looking all creasy because this is supposed to be like a quick no makeup type of a look, like really easy. So boom, that's that. Now I'm going to put a little highlight. This is optional, by the way, but I like to glow, so I'm going to use this Becca, what's this thing? Gold Lava. I use the same things all the time, guys. I need to buy some new makeup, but boom. I don't know if you can see that. It's not too crazy, but like it's hot and I'm not trying to have a bunch of stuff on, and like I'm sure my friends are chilling as well today, so I'm not trying to look like super done up, like we're hitting the club. Like I think we're just going outside. Boom. So that's that. Simple, easy. We love it. Who doesn't love a simple, easy look? If you wanted to do some eyeshadow, you could, but I'm not doing that today. So I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe setting spray again. Well, not again, but I use the same stuff. let that dry. Use my little fan. That's that with the drying. Now, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. I think I'm gonna use this on the top and the bottom today for some reason. I don't usually use this on the top lashes. I usually do the bottoms. Okay, that took a second, but I always like stab myself in the eye, so I need to take my time when I use my mascara. So I'm done with that. Now, what am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna do eyelashes today because it's just been a while. I don't know, should I do eyelashes? I'm kind of feeling this like natural look. Okay, I changed my mind. I'm not gonna do eyelashes. But if you wanted to do those, just pop them on really quick. Boom, bam. It'll make the look 10 times better. But I'm feeling like I'm doing too much for like where I'm going today. But that is that. I need to add a lip, and that's the very last step. Where's all my lip gloss at? I don't know. So I just have this nearby, so I'm just gonna put on this Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate. That's what it's called, Hot Chocolate Gloss Bomb. This came in their holiday set, so this is a mini. I don't know if they sell this in a full size. I kind of wish this was a color. This is cool. Let me add a little something. I'm gonna use another one I have. I'm gonna use Cheeky just a little bit because I kind of want like some color. Ooh, our secret just turned off. I think that did something. So yeah, that was easy as 1, 2, 3. Literally, I'm looking at the time that I have here on my phone. This was literally 15 minutes. It's 14 minutes and 52 seconds. Like, this was so simple and easy. I'm literally done. This looks like foundation if you ask me. Like, I slightly see some dark spots, but that's like if you're all up in my face. And you don't need to be grilling me that hard, okay? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is cute. Oh, look at my bed, by the way. I got what's that? A white comforter and some pink pillows. And I plan to paint my room another color because I'm tired of this purple. I've had it all my life. But I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. This was my simple, easy 1, 2, 3. I don't know what to call this video yet. No foundation makeup. This is just really simple makeup. Literally, my mom can do, your mom can do, grandmas, whoever wants to do this, little kids. I feel like this is acceptable for like high school, maybe 8th grade. This is a doable look. Like, I don't feel like you're overdoing it. If I had a daughter, I think I would let her do this. But that's all I got for you guys. Bye.